A short while back, I noticed this cobweb when a friend I was about to unknowingly strike into it, and then we both admired the beauty of the architecture of a cobweb, the biotechnology and the mechanics and the preservation and the average life of a cobweb. When you enter a virgin forest, you realize how many cobwebs you're striking into and how many you're destroying. This is only a particular angle from which the beauty of the cobweb is more clearly visible, and at other angles it's not that good. But now from this angle you can hardly see the cobweb. So I go back to my original angle and focus whether it is octagon or more than that. At every ray there is a turning, an angular turning, and like the tree rings here, 1, 2, 3, about 30 rings. I won't call them rings, but octagons or hexagons, whatever. And if I go to an angle, yeah, a cobweb is not just a piece of nature, it's also a symbol of hard work, of a tiny organism which is weaving around this thing and thriving on it, living on it. And that's a symbol of the activity of what you call a makad jal, as we call in Hindi. This is also called so for a confusing situation, an intricate situation, a network which can be woven to capture an enemy. And I literally don't know why this cobweb is constructed, what for, but what I'm most impressed and struck is that this is a beautiful creation of Mother Nature.